There you go.
Okay, now we've got the intersection narrowed down to 24 by 36 feet. I think she's ready for it. And instead of doing a single U-turn, I'm going to have her run the entire intersection because I believe it's actually easier to run the entire intersection at 24 feet because you get to build up a rhythm that you can't get when you're doing a single U-turn. You ready to tear it up?
I am ready.
You could do it.
Whenever you try something new, there's a learning curve. She's going to do it though. Relax, you can't fail this test. She really doesn't need that foot, but if it makes her feel better, I'm not gonna ding her on it yet. All right, you made it 2 times. Scoot up on the seat so you're closer to the bars. Oh, she's getting better each time. That's 3 out of 4. So that's 1, 2, 3 that she got right. Going for 4, going for 4. Will she do it? She makes it 4. Oh no! Couldn't get the bars around the other way quick enough. Let's start again. That's 1. That's 2. That's 3. That's 4 out of 4. Remember that the more aggressive you get, she's picked up a little speed and is leaning a little further, and that's really what's needed. I'm thinking her speed is right around 8 in the deepest part of the turn, maybe 10 as she's going into the turn. That's just about perfect. Just a matter of doing it over and over again until you get it right, so that you can do it 10 out of 10 times. Beautiful. I'm certainly proud of this young lady. She's getting jiggy with it. And she's happy with herself. She always got a big smile. Exercise 2 and then come back. Go to exercise 2, which is going to be very easy now. I'm not going to walk all the way over there. It's quite a distance, but we'll get it from here. Got the idea there. Slipping the clutch, pressure on the rear brake, turning her head and eyes. That is just as... You ain't going to get any better than that, folks. Not in 2 hours. Dipping into that, it's beautiful. It's a beautiful thing when you got it right.